This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Luanne Brennan. Adorable 2-bedroom/2-bath home situated on a level corner lot in beautiful Fairfield Glade, Tennessee. This little charmer has lovely laminate floors in the great room, kitchen, laundry room and guest bath. A natural gas heat and air unit along with a hot water heater are fairly new. There is a very nice deck that overlooks a vacant lot where you quite often see deer passing through the area. Another plus feature is an oversized 2-car garage for a bit of extra storage. For those who don't need or want a lot of space to care for, this home is for you. Call to see it before it's gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Luanne Brennan at 931-707-2100.